What if you could finish 5 hours of work in just 10 minutes using AI tools? Have you ever wondered how some people finish hours of work in just a few minutes? The answer is simple. They use AI tools. Artificial intelligence is changing the way people work online. Many freelancers, content creators, and businesses are now using AI tools to save time. In this video, I will show you 7 powerful AI tools that can help you work faster and become more productive. Make sure you watch until the end, because some of these tools can completely change the way you work online. The first AI tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available today. It can help you write articles, generate business ideas, create YouTube scripts, and even help with research. For example, if you want to write a blog post, you can ask ChatGPT to generate an outline first. Then it can help you write the full article in minutes. Many freelancers use ChatGPT to speed up their writing tasks. Instead of spending hours thinking about what to write, they use AI to generate ideas and improve productivity. The second tool is Canva. Canva is an extremely popular design platform that allows anyone to create professional graphics. You can create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, business presentations, logos, posters, and more. Canva also includes AI features that can automatically generate designs and remove backgrounds from images. Many freelancers earn money by using Canva to design social media content and thumbnails for clients. The third AI tool is Notion AI. Notion AI helps you organize work, manage tasks, and write content more efficiently. You can use it to take notes, create project plans, summarize long documents, and generate ideas. For example, if you are planning a business project, Notion AI can help you create a step-by-step plan in seconds. This tool is widely used by entrepreneurs, students, and professionals to stay organized. The fourth tool is Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI writing assistant that helps improve your writing instantly. It checks grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and sentence structure in real time. If you write emails, blog posts, or business documents, Grammarly can help make your writing clearer and more professional. The fifth AI tool is Runway ML. Runway ML is a powerful AI video editing platform. It allows creators to edit videos faster using artificial intelligence. For example, you can remove backgrounds from videos and generate visual effects using AI. The sixth AI tool is Pictory AI. Pictory helps turn text into videos automatically. You can paste a script and the tool will generate a complete video with visuals, subtitles, and background music. This makes video creation much easier for beginners who want to start a YouTube channel. The seventh and final tool is CapCut. CapCut is a popular video editing tool used by millions of creators around the world. It offers simple editing features, effects, transitions, and AI-powered tools to make editing easier. Many beginners start their content creation journey using CapCut because it is simple, powerful, and easy to learn. AI tools are transforming the way people work online. Those who learn how to use these tools today will have a huge advantage in the future. If you want to learn more about AI tools, online income ideas, and digital business strategies, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video.